60, 5 left, don't cut, into flat 3 right.
There you go. Good luck.
Thank you, cheers. .30 seconds. 60, 5 left, don't cut, into flat 3 right, 60, and then onto tarmac. It'll be slippy in places in here. 15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 5 left, don't cut, into flat 3 right, 60, 1 left long, 40, 5 left, 60, this is 5 left, 60, caution, 5 left, hairpin right, 5 left, immediate hairpin right, slippy, and then 40, caution, 6 left, watch this one, this is the bad one, 6 left, and then 4 left, 40, well done, 40, hairpin right, and 1 right, and hairpin left long, here, hairpin left long, slippy, into flat 1 left, 60, caution, 6 right tightens to hairpin right, tightens to hairpin right, and flat 1 left, 60, well done, hairpin left, this is hairpin left here, and flat crest, continues for 80, keep going, and then 40 down, 6 left, 6 left, 40, 1 right long tightens, into 6 right, continues for 80, 6 right now, continues for 80, and then 40, 1 left tightens, into hairpin left long, this is hairpin left long now, and then 6 right, 40, hairpin left, and hairpin right here, 40, hairpin left, very tight, 130 onto gravel, flat 1 right, 40, 3 left long, 60, turn, 5 left over bump, into 4 right, immediate 4 right, into 6 left long, slippy, 6 left long, slippy, into 3 right long, tightens, into 5 right, 130 up middle, 5 right here, 130 up middle, square left plus, and 5 right, and 4 left, into 5 right, into square left coming up, here, 100, 5 right long, opens, into 3 right long, don't cut, opens to 3 right long, don't cut, and then 100, keep going, 100, 3 right in over crest, 60, 5 left plus, 60, 5 left long, 4 right, so 5 left long, and then flat 4 right, and then 4 left long, into square right opens, 4 left long into square right opens, be a car off here, into flat crest middle, flat 2 left, 60, 1 right tightens, into 4 right long, 1 right tightens to 4 right long, into 6 left, here, 40, flat 2 left, and 3 right long, into flat 2 left over crest, 80 over bump dip, flat 1 right, 40, flat 1 left, 60, to chicane, right entry, 60 now, chicane, right entry, so you're going right and left, tight, 40, go on now, flat 2 right, flat 1 left, 60, flat 1 left over crest, into flat 1 right, and flat crest middle, 100 over finish, 2 right, okay? Hold on.